Stay tuned for part 2, DIY statement jewelry using what? Hot glue.
Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Mwah. I didn't get the heart to come out my mouth. Oh, there it is. Okay, I hope y'all have a great Monday full of God's love and incredible love here on earth as well. And stay tuned for the rest of this video. God bless you guys.
Super excited. So we're finishing up our statement jewelry earrings using, you guessed it, hot glue. So what I did was I actually used the Elmer's glue to glue the finishes on. I drilled a hole using my cordless Dremel drill. I just glued a little finding on the back using the Elmer's glue. I just wanted to see if it would work. So now we just need to get our gold jump rings, which I have to hunt down. So I think I have some somewhere. I thought some came in this packet, but because they didn't, I'm just gonna use the ones that are in this little packet attached to this necklace setting. If I can get it off, I need some scissors, I think. So we wanted to cut up. So we're just gonna cut this open. And there's just a few gold jump rings in here. And I think with this, I don't think, obviously with the chain, it came with some jump ring findings, which I think is pretty cool. So we're just gonna take these and we're gonna attach our earring findings. So we're just gonna put the little hook on here and the earring wire. You all already know how to do that. But if you're new to making jewelry, there you go. And then anytime if your fish hook isn't hanging your design the correct way, or you're feeling like you're having to fight with it, just add another jump ring and it'll hang the way you want it to. It'll hang appropriately. So with this one, I could potentially need a larger jump ring. I'm not sure. It looks like I might. So I may have to go hunt down my gold hooks. So let's go ahead and connect this one, my gold jump rings I meant. So we'll connect this one just to keep it moving for this design. And look, those would really be pretty by themselves. Like if you wanted to just make your own hoop earrings, you could do that just using the finishes. I had the dropsies today. And those would be super cute, but that's not what we're doing. And then I'm undecided. I think I'm gonna use the thicker chain instead of that little bit of chain that we have right there. But let me go get the larger jump rings we need for this, and then we'll keep that for the necklace. Okay, so I found my larger jump rings. So they don't exactly match, but I think as the patina takes shape on them, then they'll actually match up. Meaning when they start to oxidize, they'll show up the right color. And it doesn't really matter to me because I think that either way it's gonna look really good. So we're just gonna put that on there, close up our jump ring securely, and I probably will need to add another jump ring up there, or I could just turn it around. So look how pretty those came out. I love it. I'm gonna sit those right there. And I'm gonna try them on too so you can see what they look like. So we're just gonna open up our jump ring a smidge. And we can always turn the ear wires around. We don't need to fight with trying to move them around or anything. But those look really, really pretty. And what we could do is we could put a smaller jump ring on there to attach, but we don't wanna make these super heavy, so we're gonna leave them just like that. And then what we're gonna do is, I want this to fit more like a choker. So let me get my wire cutters and cut this off. Or I guess we could untwist it. It's taped down, so let me go fight with that off. Okay, so I disconnected everything. Okay, so I disconnected all the chain, and it's really long. I mean, you should be able to get tons of jewelry out of all of this. I mean, this is lengths of chain. Let's see how much is on here if it tells me. I got this from Walmart. So this is 75-inch metal medium cable gold chain. So love it. So what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna wrap it around my neck to see how much it would take just to make a choker, because that's kind of how I want it to lay. So let me get a second. Okay, so that's about that much. I'm gonna cut one little extra piece of chain just to make sure. Okay, I had to straighten out right quick. Okay, so we're just gonna take our wire cutters and I cut off a little piece there. So this is about the length of the chain that we're gonna have. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the center of the chain. I'm gonna turn it towards you all. So we just wanna find the center. I'm sorry, y'all, my sinuses are bothering me today. And then we're just gonna hang it securely in the middle. And let's say that the middle isn't even, only because, you know, the way we cut it, we can always just cut off another length. Okay, so we found the center right here. So we're just gonna take our jump ring. I think I'm just well, I was gonna take one of the smaller ones, but I'm not. I'm just gonna take one of the ones I found in my jewelry box, and we're gonna connect it in the middle. And we're gonna connect it here. And now we have it on, hanging from here. And next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add the little rings that came in with the chain packet. And it also came with a necklace bell, so that's pretty convenient. So we're just gonna open that up. And I want my necklace finding to be on my right side, but of course you put it wherever you want, but I'm right-handed. So we put that on there. And again, somebody shout out to whoever that was. I know your name when I'm looking at it, it escapes me at the second. But that says they're buying most of their findings and things at Walmart now. So smart. So this is gonna fit like a choker. Now if we wanted to, we could have like some beads or findings or things like that hanging from the chain. I don't think I wanna do that. I mean, I want this to be the statement piece, the center of it. So I'm gonna take my necklace off and we're gonna try this on along with the earrings, and I'll okay, you guys. Okay, so look how they turned out. Today is a no makeup kind of day, so y'all gotta excuse my no makeup having self, but look how pretty they turned out. So as you know, these are made out of hot glue, the little Africa findings. These are wood bases, and then this entire shape of Africa is made out of hot glue from a mold. Look how pretty that turned out, how gorgeous that is. It's not laying perfectly straight, so I may have to re-glue it on the base bead, which is no big deal, but I think it looks so pretty. So I love how they turned out. Hot glue statement jewelry, you can't beat that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to re-glue that, but we're not gonna pine over that this morning and fix a little boo-boo back there. But look how gorgeous they turned out. I love it. So happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys on our next project. God bless you. Bye.